This is a short demonstration of how to use three-column note-taking for math. Of course, normally I would write this out with a pencil and I would keep it in a separate booklet. However, for this demonstration I'm going to use Microsoft Word to show you how to do this. The first thing that you would do is insert a three-column table. All of the columns are equal, which is fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press my tab key until I get a second row. And the first one I'm going to put the concept. The second one is an example. And the third is explanation. Now this is great to use so that you can refer back to how to do a specific type of math problem. Great if you haven't done it for a long time. So let's say algebra. Okay. My example is going to be fairly simple just to show you for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to put 3x minus 5 equals 10. Okay. So for step number 1, what I want to do over here is write number 1. And then I'm going to put exactly what I'm going to do. So get all numbers on one side and all x's on the other side. So, as I see in this equation, in order to get rid of the negative 5, I have to add 5. Okay? And so the other thing I want to do in brackets here is I'm going to say whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. Okay? So here, what I'm going to do is write 3x minus 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 5. So I've did the plus 5 on one side, I have to also do it on the other side. Okay? The second step is to add all numbers. Add all numbers together. Okay? So I'm going to add my numbers. 3x is the same. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So I can actually just take that and cross it right off. So instead of that, I'm just going to highlight it so that it's still good for my notes. Of course, if I was doing it by pencil, I could just put a big X or something like that. Equals, and 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay? The third step would be add all x's together. In this example, I don't have any to add. So even though I don't have to do anything, I would never really write this second, it over again, but I'm just demonstrating that it would have to be done. Okay? The fourth step is to divide both sides by the number in front of the x. So here, I'm going to put 3x divided by 3 equals 15 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 cross off. And remember, because I'm not using a pencil, I'm just going to highlight it so I realize that. So I have x equals, and then on a calculator or in my head I can say 15 divided by 3 is 5. And there's my answer.